Students, I am Dr. T.J. Kaur, that is Tajinderjeet Kaur, working on extension basis. I am retired associate professor working on extension basis in Government National College, Sirsa. Today we will do a topic of grammar, that is transitional words and phrases. We will do the definition, uses and categories. First of all, definition. A transitional word or phrase is something that connects the two sentences. By doing so, it changes the tone, it makes a transition in the tone, or it bridges the sentences or connects them. It is also called the connector or the linking word. Now, its uses. A transitional word or phrase makes the expression emphatic and impressive. It is used in conversation, essay type answers, essay composition, paragraph composition, etc. Next, let us have a view on the categories. First of all, transitional words and phrases can be divided into 12 parts. These can be divided into 12 categories. The first category is the words and phrases that show conclusion. These are to sum up, to summarize, to conclude, in conclusion, in a nutshell. The example is to sum up. Kanthapura deals with the theme of the Gandhian freedom struggle against the British rule. Let me tell you here that you write an essay type answer on Kanthapura as its Kanthapura and its theme. You discuss this answer, you discuss this question, and in the concluding paragraph you write to sum up. Kanthapura deals with the theme of the Gandhian freedom struggle against the British rule. The next category is transitional words and phrases that add information. These are and, in addition to, moreover, furthermore, besides that, also, another reason, first, firstly, second, secondly, and third. The example is, I went to his house and delivered goods. Next category number 3 is words and phrases that repeat information. These are, that is, in fact, once again, to repeat, in other words, to put it another way. For example, Sevika Sangh, that is a female wing of the Congress, was established. Next is transitional words and phrases that show comparison. These are as and as if, by comparison, in comparison, in like manner, likewise, similarly. The example is Sohan acts as if he is the boss of the office. Next category number 5 is the words and phrases that show contrast, differences, concession. The examples are on the one hand, on the other hand, on the contrary, instead, nevertheless, although and yet, even or though, however or still, in spite of, despite, nonetheless, rather than, unlike. The example is On the one hand, science is a blessing. On the other hand, it is a curse. Next, category number 6, words and phrases that show a time relationship or chronological order. These are in the meantime, when, before, after that, afterward, thereafter, finally, then, until, even when, while or meanwhile, now, at first, later, ever since. For example, the train has been delayed by 2 hours. Let us have lunch in the meantime. Let us have lunch in the meantime. Next is category number 7, the transitional words and phrases that show place or spatial order. These are here, there, nearby, opposite to, adjacent to, therein, hereby, thereby. For example, you may reach the post office and opposite to it, there is a hotel. Next is category number 8, transitional words and phrases that emphasize or introduce examples. These are, for example, to illustrate, for instance, such as. The example is, not all the birds eat fruit. For example, vultures eat dead animals. Next is category number 9, words and phrases that show cause or that explain why. These are as, because, since. For example, it is impossible to come that day as I have an urgent work at home, or it is impossible to come that day because I have an urgent work at home. Next is category number 10, transitional words and phrases that show effect or result. These are so, therefore, hence, consequently, for that reason, that is why, so, as a result, accordingly. The example is, I don't need this reference book now, so you can take it home for a week. Next is category number 11, transitional words and phrases that show inference. These are else, otherwise, then, in other words. For example, take a taxi, else you will be late for your appointment. Or take a taxi, otherwise you will be late for your appointment. Next is category number 12, transitional words and phrases that assert truth, attitude, viewpoint, or reinforcement or emphasis. These words are in fact, indeed, actually, certainly, of course, undoubtedly, without a doubt. For example, the rains are late this year. In fact, they were late last year as well. So these were the 12 categories of transitional words and phrases. I gave one example of each of these 12 categories. In the next lecture, we will have all the examples of all the transitional words and phrases. We will use in sentences all the words of all the transitional words we will use them in sentences in the next lecture. Till then, bye. Till then, goodbye. See you again.